Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to change Instagram password. So first of all, open Instagram account. Look at the left corner, tap on more and then go to settings. Click on this, password and security, and change password. Select account, and now you can easily change your password from here. And then finally tap on the change password. Then change your Instagram password. That's how you can easily change your Instagram password. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial river channel for more video.